I have recently had my Super Meteor 650 dissected, all in the name of science. My recent video interview with my friend John led me to look further into the belt drive system for the Meteor 650. And John was very kind enough to let me trial his bike. As my old karate instructor used to say, to see is to doubt, to feel is to believe. Sadly, the kit already available for the Interceptor and Continental does not fit the Super Meteor 650. So it's back to the drawing board for the guys at RSTech, with a little bit of help from Teacher T and his Super Meteor. The front belt drive sprocket did fit and clearance checks have been done. There's enough room for the belt drive there. It's just the rear sprocket that needs to be re-engineered and CNC cut after 3D scanning. As soon as the first run is produced, I will take my bike back, they will fit it, I will trial it. So if you can like and subscribe to this video, you will be one of the first people alerted to the results, price and availability of this kit.